Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save your photos and videos in Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my PC. You can use your mobile phone as well for this. And there are two main ways of uploading photos and videos to your drive. Firstly, you can click on new or upload or whatever it says for you. And then you can select file upload or folder upload. Once you select either one of those, your Explorer or your system file manager will open, and from there you will be able to locate the folder or the file that you want to upload. And once you see it, just click it and click open or upload, and then it'll upload itself into your drive. However, there is also one alternative which you can use, at least on PC, and it is very easy. It just involves the GUI and dragging and dropping. So you just want to open up your Explorer, find the files that you want. For example, let's say I want this video uploaded, and all I have to do is just click it and drag it over into Google Drive. And as you can see, it uploaded the file right now. It is very quick, very easy, depending on the size of the file, of course, but as you can see, it's as simple as that. And now that file is in my drive and I can freely use it. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.